Hello, in today's video I'm going to be doing the fire roll with jutes. Today I'm going to be doing the fire roll with cotton wool and rust. So I take my Swiss Army knife and use the back of the saw to scrape away some rust into a nice little pile. Then I can flatten out the cotton wool ball and rip it in half. Sprinkle the rust on top of the cotton wool ball. I'm then rolling the ball as tight as I can into a thin little sausage. Pushing it away from me to make sure it's really tight. Before working it backwards and forwards with the block. It's not quite done yet, it's important to keep going until it's smoking. Once you've rolled it backwards and forwards enough and it starts to smoke, you can pull apart the fibres to expose oxygen to the ember and help it burn more effectively. After a while, this will smoke nicely. You could put this into a tinder bundle and blow this into flames. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, check out this other video.